Crypto YouTube channels earn some of the highest CPMs on the platform, $30 to $80 per thousand views. Today I am showing you how to build a crypto content channel using Claude AI for all research without needing to be a crypto expert. Disclaimer: this video is about creating educational content about crypto, not about investing in it. Nothing here is investment advice. Crypto carries significant financial risk. What I am covering: how to build a YouTube channel in the crypto education niche using AI research tools. Crypto content on YouTube earns some of the highest CPMs available. General Finance CPM, $15 to $50. Crypto education specifically, $30 to $80. Why crypto content earns so much? I asked Claude, why do cryptocurrency YouTube channels earn significantly higher CPMs? Claude's explanation: financial services advertisers, including exchanges and investment platforms, have very large marketing budgets. They specifically target viewers who are actively researching and educating themselves about crypto. Those viewers are high intent, actively likely to sign up for financial products. Content types with consistently highest CPM: beginner education guides, exchange comparisons, coin explanations, tax and regulation content. The Claude research method. The key to credible crypto content without being an expert: rigorous AI research followed by careful independent verification. Step 1. Topic research. Ask Claude, what are the 20 most searched questions about topic that beginners want answered? Rank by search intent and educational value. Pick the highest intent educational topic. Step 2. Deep research. Ask Claude, explain topic comprehensively and completely honestly. Include how it works in simple terms, genuine risks, real use cases, and legitimate criticisms. Be balanced and accurate. Step 3. Independent fact verification. Take Claude's key claims and verify them independently. Use official project websites, reputable financial news sources, and official documentation. Step 4. Script writing. Ask Claude, write a YouTube script about topic using this verified research. Target complete beginners. Include a strong hook, clear explanation, real examples, balanced conclusion, and a disclaimer that this is not financial advice. Step 5. Disclaimer review. Ensure no claims could be mistaken as personalized financial advice. Educational content explains, it does not recommend, predict, or guarantee. This method produces accurate, valuable, legally sound content consistently. The 4-pillar content strategy. A sustainable crypto content strategy has 4 distinct content pillars. Pillar 1, evergreen education, 40% of content. What is Bitcoin? How does blockchain work? These videos rank in search results forever and generate consistent daily views and income. Pillar 2, current events explained, 30%. When significant crypto regulation news breaks, explain what it means for everyday beginners. Pillar 3, comparison content, 20%. Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Comparison content captures high-intent searchers actively making decisions. Pillar 4, honest personal experiment content, 10%. This builds genuine trust because it is verifiably honest and transparent. Monetization beyond AdSense. Crypto channels have multiple monetization options beyond AdSense. Affiliate programs. Major regulated exchanges have affiliate programs paying per qualified sign-up. Educational digital products, beginner guides, and research frameworks. Priced at $7 to $20 on Gumroad. Your audience actively seeks education. Sponsorships. Once established, regulated financial education products may sponsor content. AdSense, $300 to $800 per month. Affiliates, $200 to $500 per month. Educational products, $100 to $300 per month. Crypto content is one of the highest-earning YouTube niches available. You need to research rigorously using AI and present everything honestly. Always include proper financial disclaimers in every piece of content. Always create educational content that genuinely serves your audience. All links in the description. Subscribe for daily content. See you next time.